Hello everyone. So today I came across some strange issue. The issue being when I usually charge my smartphone through my desktop computer, and I connected the USB-C port from my computer to my smartphone, and for some reason my USB hub, the power to it got cut off and my keyboard and mouse stopped working. So that was kind of odd. So I found out today that the reason for it was because well, you go to control panel first, and you have to go to hardware and sound, go to power options, go to change plan and setting, and you have to go to change advanced power settings and go to USB settings, and you have to disable, it's called USB selective suspend setting. You got to disable this. It's enabled by default, and this is a feature that's in Windows 10 that helps you save power by disabling USB ports, disabling the power to USB ports when they're not being used or something. But in this case, I was using that power source, right? And the keyboard and the mouse was also being used through the USB hub or switch, and it got disabled. So that, I mean, the power to it was cut off, and that was weird. And when I restarted the computer, so I put a mouse through a USB port on my computer, an extra mouse, and I just reset the computer, and the power was back on to the USB port, but I didn't connect it to my phone, so that's kind of weird. So I disabled it, and I reset the computer, and I didn't have the problem again. I'm able to use my mouse and keyboard just fine. And yeah, that's how you fix that problem. Strange problem, but yeah. So when your USB power port loses power or connectivity to it, then you just go there and disable it. That's it. Okay, thanks for watching. By Ace 1000KS 1975.